Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi 10 and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and now just tap on About Phone. Here we have to tap on Backup and Restore option. And let's scroll down a little bit to the Google Backups section. As you can see, we've got the option Backup Account, which will allow us to add the account. But if for some reason in your case the backup account option is not active defaultly, then you simply have to tap on Backup My Data and tap on the switcher to actually turn on whole feature. So now let's tap on Backup and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. Okay, let's tap on Next. Right now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on Next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it and you've got all the info. So let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, but just let's tap on accept because right here we've got the step in which we can clearly see what the device will backup. So here we've got the information that we can use 15 gigabytes of the Google account and your device will backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings and text messages. What's more, here we've got also the information that the backup that your device will backup data automatically, will store it securely, and you will be able to manage your backup whenever you want to easily. So you can turn on the backup right now just by tapping obviously on turn on, but if you do not want to, just tap on not now. And whenever you will decide that you want to backup data, just tap on Backup Account, pick the one on which you'd like to backup, and as you can see, we just got back to this step. So just tap on Turn On, and actually this is it. This is how to enable the backup account in your Redmi 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.